In this lecture, we are going to learn about lines and its different types. You will find line command in profile toolbar. Click at drop down and you will find different types of line. First, select line, draw a simple line, draw another line, draw another line. In this way, you can draw a simple line. Next option is infinite line. Before that, delete the sketch. Now select infinite line. Here you will see horizontal, vertical and 2-point line option. Select horizontal line and click at origin. This will create an infinite horizontal line from the origin. Again select infinite line, this time vertical line, and draw a vertical line. This time select line through 2 points. Select your first point, now second point, and it will draw a line through 2 points. Now delete these lines. The next option is bitangent line. Before that, we need to draw some random sketch. Draw a circle. Now draw an arc. Now select bitangent line. Select this circle and select this arc. Now you can see that it created a line from the tangent of the selected curves. Again, bitangent line. Select this circle and this time select opposite side of this arc. This will again create a tangent line but in opposite side. So in this way you can create a tangent line on any curve. The next option is bisecting line. First, draw some random sketches. Now select bisecting lines. Select this line and this line. Now you can see that it created an infinite line from the intersection point of the selected lines. Now select this line and it will create a line from point of intersection of the selected lines. Now select this line and this parallel line and it will create an infinite parallel line. Because parallel lines never intersect each other, that's why there is no intersection point. Now delete these sketches. The next option is line normal to curve. But first draw some random sketches. Now select line normal to curve line. Click on any point on the circle and it will create a perpendicular line from the curve as its name suggests normal to the curve.